Let's start with number 49, group anagrams. So in this question we are given an array of strings and we have to group the anagrams together. So what is an anagram? I have explained it before in my previous videos, but if you have not seen that, an anagram is a word that can be made using the letters of another word and all the frequencies of each letter would be the same. So for example, if we take eat and tea, this is an anagram, but this cannot be an anagram because the frequency of letters don't match. Let's see how we can approach this. So we have our strings array and these are the iterations that we'll be performing. So let's look at the strings in a different way, right? So if you consider something as anagram, all the letters and their frequencies are the same, right? Which means they are potentially the same word. So we can perform some kind of an operation on both of them to get the same word. So what we can do is sort those words and they will give us the same letter if they are an anagram. So for example, we have EAT and then we have TEA, right? So if we sort this, this becomes AET. And if we sort this, it becomes AET, right? These are both the same words. So we can make use of this now. So this is how the sorted array looks. Eat becomes AET, T becomes AET, like that. So what we can do is we can create a hash map using the sorted string as a key and add each and every string from our original array if they match with the key. When we encounter eat, so the sorted string is AET, which is used as a key. And what we'll check is if the sorted string exists as a key in the map object. AET doesn't exist, we add this and we add the current main string to the value. So the map looks like this after the first iteration. So when we'll go to the second iteration, we have T, and after sorting we have AET and it is there in the map. So we'll add the current word to the value of this key and we'll move again. Is ANT there as a key? No. We'll add that and add the current word to its values and then move to this. ATE becomes AET, which is there in our map. ATE is added here. We'll move to the next iteration. NAT becomes ANT, which is there in our map. So we add NAT here and then we come across ABT. ABT is not there and we add the current word to here. These are the correct groupings that we need as our answer. Let's write some code. So we'll declare a map. Now we'll traverse the main array. For each word we'll encounter in the main array, we'll have to sort it to use it as a key. So the sorted word will be. So what we are doing is we are getting the current string and then using the split method to convert into an array and then sorting it and using the join to make it back to a string. So we have our sorted string here. So we are going to check if the sorted string exists as a key in the map object, and if it doesn't, we'll create a new key value pair. Else what we'll do, if the string already exists as a key, we'll push the current string into the values of the key we have found. We'll exit out of the loop and return. So we are returning object.values because we need this array as an output. If we directly return the map here, we'll get the key and value together, which is not the required output. So we'll run this. Sorry, this is because I have not initialized the map of sorted as an array, so the dot push method isn't working. We'll run it again. Perfect, let's submit this.